Hey guys, welcome back to Morganic Essentials, where we make real food recipes. And today we're making chorizo stuffed peppers. Everything here is just super fresh, whole food, nutrient dense, and so easy to make. But yeah, guys, it's really good. So let's get into it. So first we're gonna take our poblanos and just cut them in half. We're also gonna devein them too. So when you cut them in half, you'll just pull out the stem with the seeds in it. And we're basically just gonna create little poblano boats, and that's what we're gonna stuff. We're also gonna go ahead and cut our avocado here too. We'll use that later for a topping. All right, so I've got my rinsed quinoa. I'm gonna take that and boil it with some chicken broth. I like to cook my quinoa in chicken broth over water just because it adds a little more flavor and protein. All right, so now we're going to take our beef chorizo and cook that on the skillet. I like to get it nice and crispy. That's how I prefer my chorizo. So you want to let it sit and cook for a bit, we'll simmer, and then you scrape it up from the bottom, and that's how you get your little crispies. So let it do its job. And then here we're just going to take it and put it in a bowl. Top our chorizo. We've got our quinoa and about a cup of black beans as well. And then we're going to add our cheddar cheese too. I like using sharp cheddar here, and just mix it all up. And don't worry, the exact measurements are going to be in our description box. Look at that. You just want to mix it all up, get all the flavors nice and melty with the cheese. And we're going to stuff our boats. Scattered across our poblano boats here. And you want to sprinkle some more cheese on top just to give it that nice melty, cheesy crust on top. Oh, guys, this is so good. Packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. And then I like to top it with a little bit of smoked paprika. It just adds to the smokiness. You're gonna get some smoky flavor from the chorizo and the poblanos. It just goes really well with it and adds a nice little toasty color to the top. Cool, so next we're gonna pop these in the oven on 350 for about 20 minutes. Everything's cooked, we just wanna melt the cheese on top, okay? Oh, yeah, here it is. It's gonna look like that and smell like that. It is so good, guys. I don't even make stuffed peppers any other way anymore. This is how I do stuffed peppers. I prefer the poblanos over just regular bell peppers. I think it adds more flavor. It adds a nice little mild kick to it. Oh my God. And you just can't go wrong with the chorizo and look at that cheese pool. The cheese and it's so good. And all good for you. Like I said, protein, fiber, healthy fats. Look at that. And then we're gonna top it with some green onions. And this is where we're gonna add our sliced avocado to it. It just adds a nice little creaminess to it and nice cooling for the kick there. Now we're gonna top it with some cilantro on top. And there you have it. So delicious. Definitely give this a try at home. So let's just go in for a taste test. Try to get it with the avocado. Okay, that's got a little bit of everything. All right, cheers. The poblano peppers. I just love the flavor of poblanos. It's got such a good flavor. It's so mild. Just the combination of everything. The beef and the beef chorizo. Oh my God. It's so savory. It's savory, but then you also have the crunch from the fresh veggies on top. Ooh. This turned out really, really good. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoy real food recipes like this. Eat well, be well, and I'll see you next time.